Welcome to IT and Network King official channel. How to install and download Revo uninstaller in laptop and computer. Open web browser. Open website. Click download Revo uninstaller. Setup is downloading. Wait for a while. Setup is downloaded. Open download file location. Double-click to open download. Run setup file. Accept agreement and next. Next. Click to install. Installation completed now. Click finish. Revo uninstaller is installed now. Now I have to uninstall Nox player. Revo uninstaller will be removed every file of Nox. Select Nox. Then click uninstall. Only enable automatically delete all found leftovers. And then continue. Click uninstall Nox. Then click scan. All files have been deleted. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe IT and Network King official channel.